Hello everybody, we have just recently entered a new year. I'm Tom, and welcome to another Everything Under 5 Minutes video. Today we're talking about the Samsung S90D, or more specifically the 65-inch version of that. Now the S90D is a pretty high-end TV. Does that mean we can expect some great features and experiences as well? We'll find out in a few seconds, but I'd like to talk about the price first. It's $1,597.99. Yes, it's pretty expensive, but is it worth it for what you pay for? Now here's where we start with the video. The Samsung S90D has a QD OLED display, which is really great since individual pixels can shut off whenever they have to be shut off, giving you true blacks and bright highlights. Now this also means that you have very great color accuracy, and that's not solely due to the fact that the S90D has an OLED display, but because it also has a color space of 100% DCI-P3, resulting in a very vibrant image. Now the TV has a 4K display, which is also great, but it isn't so great when you realize that most of the content you'll be watching might not even be natively in 4K, so you'll end up with an upscaled image due to the 4K upscaling that this TV also has. Yes, that's a feature, 4K upscaling, which, as you know, I'm not really a fan of, but it's whatever. Now the brightness is very great as well. You have a typical brightness of 300 nits, and you can go as high as 1200 nits. It's great for those with brightly lit rooms or for those who use the sun's all-encompassing power to light up their rooms, and what's even greater is that the TV's screen has a matte finish, so you can rest assured that you won't have noticeable reflections when using this TV. The S90D also comes with HDR10 and HDR10 Plus support. Now here's where things get interesting, for those that use the TV for some gaming as well. The S90D has a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz, a minimum response time of 0.2 milliseconds, and a maximum of 1.5 milliseconds. I consider that to be really amazing, especially when you consider that most TVs with almost the same specifications and price have higher response times. Some features include the already mentioned 4K upscaling, which is present on almost every modern or smart TV. It has AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for the gamers, with the game modes and all that, also for gamers, along with a ton of other proprietary quality of life features. Now, let's talk a little bit about ports. The S90D has two USB 2.0 ports, one Ethernet port, and four HDMI 2.1 ports, among others. The S90D also uses a base mount with a size of 300 by 200 millimeters, and that's if you prefer mounting it to a wall. So, we've come to the conclusion of our video, the 65-inch Samsung S90D OLED TV. Do I think it's bang for your buck? Well, certainly, you can't really cheap out on your experience, so I think you get what you pay for. Here's a QR code to the TV if it interests you. Anyway, I'm Tom, and I hope you all have a good day.